Hi mommies, welcome back again to my channel. Are you looking for a simple hairstyle for your princess? So in a few seconds, I'm going to be walking you through and I'm going to explain every detail to you on how to style this hairstyle. It's very easy to follow, okay? Okay. Stay connected. Okay, let's get started. First of all, these are the things I'm going to be using to style this hair. A tail comb, a white comb, and that's the bead I'm going to use. And this is the edge control I'm going to be using, and also this is the clip and I have this this thing I'm going to use. This is the packer I need, and this is the and also the hair packer I'm going to use, and the rubber band, because I need rubber band for this hairstyle. And this is the oil I mix myself, and this is the conditioner. Coconut conditioner I'm going to put. I explain this thing a lot most of the time, and when I lose my kids hair, I wash their hair, I will condition it and I will twist it. This is how I will leave it until I'm ready to make the hair. So when I twist the hair, so before I start combing it, I have to spray it. This is the spray I mix by myself, with olive oil, and some other things. I think I have the video in my channel. You can just go through and see it. I'll see if I can see the link to put it in the comment section, so you can just see how I mix the oil. So after I put the oil and the conditioner that I earlier showed, then I comb it before you can start combing it. So this way your child will not have any pain when you are making hair, because the hair is already soft. So when you're sectioning the hair to be so soft, so it's because the hair is already moisturized. Apart from the one I section in the front, I'm going to section this side I am right now, and the other side 4, which is everything is going to be 8. But this is not how I'm going to make the hair, okay? This is why you have to stick around to see how I finally end up styling the hair. You see that packer I showed earlier on how I use it. So this is 4 and the other side is 4, just like so. I section this side 4 and the other side 4. So now I'm going to just go to the front, and because I have to start this hair from front because of the way I want to make the style. The edge control I use for this hair is very nice. It doesn't leave your hair with white stain. And if you have a better one and better option, also let me know. I am learning and I need something nice to use on my kids hair. Okay, if you have a better one, do let me know, and I'm open to idea. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have another also hairstyle you want me to try, also let me know. I'll be happy to make the hairstyle you want for you or for us. Okay. Each of the hair I pack front like this, I'm going to twist them into 4, which is 1. I will share one into 2, then I will share the other one into 2, just like so. So I'm just going ahead and use the hair clip to pin it to the other one so it will not disturb me. Then I'll just go ahead to twist this one, and I'm going to end up twisting all of them 4, which is 2 here and 2 on the other side. Now I'm going to just take this crochet something, so put the hair, draw it out. So the reason I didn't use the other one, this one is more softer, so since I'm taking it down under her hair, so I need something not iron, something plastic, so that she don't feel any pain. Don't forget we are doing protective hairstyle, right? So I took one from the two I twist from this side. I took one from the other side, so I'm left with one from here and one from the other side. So now I'm so going to go ahead and section this hair into 2, just like so. So when I'm done, I'm going to start using that is why I start this hair from the front. Here that one I took under the hair, I'll pack it along with this one. Remember the one I put under the hair. So the other one I will put on top of the hair. The one you see, then to the other one. So, and I also do the other side the same way.
Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey.
Now that I'm done with that part, so I'm going to start
Shadow turns to
just the way I'm doing it like this now. See the way I did all of them, section it this way. So, and each one I'm going to start twisting them, you know, and yeah, that is where the main thing is. Okay, so I did the same the way I do that side, the same way I did with the other this side. And the part, I did not make the part straight. I just feel like I should just do something like form of a not straight carpet. So, and the way I pack the hair, I'm going to twist each two, which is um one will give me a four,
watch me
right?
soar, no
Two,
chains can
and the
hold.
other one too.
Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I
I
rule
would
my
have made
way.
her hair,
Every
see, her
step
hair
a
is long
dance, every
enough
word a
to
play.
for me not
Little
to add
crown
anything to
stars,
it, but
my
she wanted
flow's the
something really
day.
long.
I
She
shine
wanted
my
something longer than
own,
her hair. So
I
I
won't
added almost at the tip of her hair, I added just a strand of wool,
shadow
just
turns to
one.
light.
So that's how what
Little crown
I
stars,
added
I
to the
rule
hair,
my way.
just to do
Every
it a
step
little.
a
Then and
dance,
before I
every
put bead
word
on
a
the wool
play.
and tie
Little
it,
crown
then
stars,
cut out
my flow's the day.
the remaining
I
part.
shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every
If you
breath
watched it this
is
time, thank
laced
you so
with
much,
gold.
and I really appreciate your
Little
time.
crown
And
stars,
if it's your
I
first time
rule
coming
my
across
way.
my video, my name
Every
is
step
Susan. I'm a
a
mom of four
dance,
beautiful
every
girls,
word
and I
a
live
play.
in Germany with
Little
my
crown
family, and
stars,
I
I
appreciate you
rule
guys.
the
And if you
day.
have not
I
subscribed, please
shine
subscribe to my
my
channel. Help
own,
us to
I
share.
won't
That's the way, the little way you
obey.
can help us. Okay, if you have any friends,
Shadow
any
turns
family,
to light.
just help me share to them.
Little
Also share
crown
in your
stars,
wall.
I rule
Okay,
my
and
way. Every
subscribe
step
if you're not
a
subscribed.
dance, every
Like the video,
word a
comment.
play.
Liking the video make
Little crown
YouTube know
stars,
that
my
okay, people are
flow's the
liking it.
day.
Just
I
to
shine
appreciate
my
what
own, I
I am trying to
won't
do here. Okay,
obey.
okay, thank you.
They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown.
At first, I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to add it, but I'm glad I did because it gives the hair more beauty and make the hair look more cute. Although her hair is long for the hairstyle, but yeah, I'm glad I added it. It's also good because I don't need to add put the bead on her hair, so the bead was now on the wool instead of her hair. Not that bead don't damage hair anyways. So you see, her hair is really long. You see, yeah, see her hair. So I will still weave it. Make sure I weave it off her hair completely. So before I will put bead, I'll first of all knot it. You know, when I knot the place, then I will now add a bead there, then twist it again. Then you see, I just go ahead and knot it and put bead, then twist the bead again, knot it along with the bead before I cut
I paint
the
gold
excess
on
part.
every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown skies, I roll my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my throne's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would
So
break
now we
me
are done with the
down,
hair, and I hope you like this hairstyle. Tell me, what do you think about this hairstyle? Do Are you going to try it on your princess? Are you going to try it on yourself? And what do you think I didn't do right? That maybe this is what I should have done, or is it okay that I added wool? Would I prefer it without wool? I just want to know from you from the comment in the comment section what you think about it. Okay, and I'll be happy to read from you. Though she's happy, no, she's really happy with the hair, and I'm happy she's happy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Susan, and I'm a mom of 4 kids. Thank you once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye for now.